welcome back. Today we have with us Mr. Shubham Sharma, who has done research internship in Canada, Mitax Global Research Internship. And in this video, he'll be guiding you that how to apply in the research internship and how was his experience in the research internship. So we have with us Shubham. Shubham, tell us something about yourself. Tell us to the audience, and then we'll ask you the questions about the research internship.
Hello everyone, this is Shubham Sharma from Mechanical Engineering branch, currently in the final year in BID Sindri. So I am a Mitex GRI who have selected in the York University under Professor Roger Campers. So basically we have to know about what are the procedures and how can we apply that.
Yeah, cool. That's good. And Shubham, when did you apply? Were you in the second year or the third year? When to apply and how to apply?
I was in 4th semester, it is in the second year.
Okay, so in the second year you applied, and on the official website of the Mitax Global you have applied.
It is in the official website, but TAPSEL will remind you to apply this.
Okay. TAPSEL of your college will remind you to apply. And Shubham, what is the eligibility criteria? How you got selected?
It is the total GPA is 85%. Above 85% people can easily selected in the Mitex. With there are three projects along with them.
So your points, like your pointers, your CGPA matters in the Mitax Global Research Internship. More than 85%. Like Shubham is a very bright student of mechanical engineering. He has your CGPA, Shubham, total CGPA.
Oh, currently,
Yeah. When you applied in the Mitax Global?
9.
Yeah, when he applied in the Mitax Global, his total CGPA was 9 in mechanical engineering in BID Sindri. So guys, your CGPA do matters in this research internship. And Shubham, one of the eligibility criteria is like you should be exceptional in studies. And considering about the interviews, like what questions were you asked in the interview? Was it based on the project or something else? Like your co-curricular activities, were there questions from your co-curricular activities? So tell us about the interview experience.
Like it was about 15 minutes of interview where I have to show my skill set and what are the projects I have gone through in the previous semesters and what did I actually done in the previous projects. In this 15 minutes of presentation, people will ask 2 to 3 questions about your projects. You have to answer it, and after that they will have to recognize as a student who can able to speak or deliver or something can do in their Mitex GRI program.
Yeah. So basically your questions are asked from the projects. You should be exceptional in your academics, and like you should have your communication skill. So these are the points to keep in mind. And now Shubham, how was your experience? Like, did you mingle with the people from the other country, and how was your overall experience in Canada?
It was quite good. I got so much exposure. I met people from Mexico, Brazil, England, and also from China. They are exceptionally good. They are working hard. I'm going through them, and I learned so much. So that's the thing I have.
And Shubham, now the most important question is like, what are the perks, what are the benefits of this research internship in Canada that you have done?
The perks basically is you have to be prepared financially before going to the Canada, because they provide all the stipend after reaching there. They provide all the stipend or something reward in their Canadian bank accounts. So firstly you have to reach there, and after that you will be easily get payment, and you can leave there 3 months of tenure.
Okay, so all your tickets and everything you will be doing it on yourself, like all the financial need before going to the allotted university. So after your 3 months or 2 months, what is the duration of the internship?
It was 12 weeks, but you can change to the 10 weeks.
Okay. So as Shubham has told, so after the completion of the internship, the allotted amount or what you say perks will be transferred, or like it will be transferred before? When you will complete the internship, after that the perks will be transferred?
No, it was like after reaching there, within 2 weeks, you will be get paid about 50% of the stipend, and then bi-weekly you will get the regular payments before the completion of your internship.
Okay. Okay, that's cool. And Shubham, like, what was your project and in which university in Canada were you allotted?
My project title was characterization of two-phase heat transfer using additively manufactured devices and structures in the York University under Professor Roger Campus.
Okay. Shubham, what are the important documents required, and after reaching Canada, are there any additional documents that are required?
You have to take the transcript from the college and the NOC. After reaching there in Canada, you have to firstly take the visitor record. It is very important document for you to have any entry in the Canada. Second thing, you have to open a bank account, and third is SIN number. SIN number can be optional, but it will be good if you have it.
Okay. And one very important thing, guys, कि if you are applying for Mitax Global Research Internship, you must have the passport. That is obvious. बिना पासपोर्ट के कुछ होने वाला है नहीं. तो अगर आपके पास पासपोर्ट है सिंपल लैंग्वेज में, तभी अप्लाई करिए. और शुभम, द लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज कि व्हाट आर द प्रॉब्लम्स इफ़ यू हैव फेस्ड एनी प्रॉब्लम्स इन कैनेडा, देन व्हाट आर द प्रॉब्लम्स दैट यू फेस, इफ एनी?
The problems are basically related to my accommodations. उस टाइम मैं accommodation के लिए सर्च नहीं कर रहा था. तो अगर आप चाहते हो कि अगर आप अप्लाई कर रहे हो और आपका लगभग सिलेक्शन हो गया है, एक मेल आने के बाद आपको पता चल जाता है कि सिलेक्शन हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ, तुरंत बाद अपने आसपास के कॉलेग्स ग्रुप में मिल के अकोमोडेशन सर्च करना शुरू करना है, क्योंकि अकोमोडेशन ऐसा चीज़ है जिसमें स्कैम बहुत होते हैं. तो आप लोग अगर 3-4 लोग एक साथ मिलकर सर्च करते हैं तो चांसेस कम है फ्रॉड होने का. और दूसरा कि आप लोग साथ में रहेंगे और वहाँ के लाइफस्टाइल और अपने जो नॉलेज है, जो वहाँ के कल्चर को सीखने गए हैं, अच्छा से अडेप्ट कर पाएंगे और शायद आगे भी काम आएगा.
Okay. Okay, guys. So that was Shubham Sharma, the final year mechanical engineering student from BIT Sindri, who has done his research internship from Canada, Mitax Global Research Internship, and he has told you about the whole experience. So if you have liked the video, if you have found it useful, then do like it, share it, subscribe it, and thank you if you have watched till the very end. Thank you, guys. Take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.